Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing what is dictionary in Python. Dictionary is a kind of list which has keys, uh, and each key is having a corresponding value. Let's see how to declare a dictionary. So consider a dictionary called school, which is having keys such as classes. Suppose five classes are there, and then students, assume it as 40 students, and then yeah, for now this. And in order to declare a blank dictionary, you can just leave the blank braces like this. That's it. Cool. And now so this is a dictionary. It has if you look at dictionary school, it has keys, classes, and students, and each key is having corresponding value. Like classes is having 5 and students is having 40. So we can add and remove elements to this dictionary, such as like in order to add a key to the dictionary school, you can initialize it directly. For example, like school, then put a key. This is square bracket. Just add something called benches. Then assume 100 benches are there. Sorry, so 100. So it adds the element. It adds the key benches and it assigns 100 value to it. Okay. So now same way we can delete elements from the from the dictionary. So before that, I'll explain you how to copy the whole dictionary, that school, into college. So just you can initialize, you can make college equal to school dot copy. This is a method being used to copy one dictionary to another one. So if you see college, it has all the keys that school had. So now to delete an element, to delete a key classes from school, just use a method called school dot, no, it's not, sorry, my bad. Just use del school and then give classes. That's it. So if we see school, classes will not be there. Same way, if you want to clear and delete the whole dictionary, just type del and school. That's it. It will show you an error if you try to access the dictionary school. Okay, so let's create it back. For that, let's just use the copy function, college copy. Now school has the same elements back. So and also if you can also clear the dictionary, like it's different from deleting the whole dictionary. So for that you can use school dot clear. That's it. So if you type, it won't show an error, but instead it will show you a blank dictionary. So let's copy the elements, leave. We'll add some elements to this school list, school dictionary. Classes, assume it as 40 again. Then students, then make it 100. Okay, so there's one more method to check if two dictionaries are same or not, like in order to compare it. So just for that, the method is just compare CMP, and in the bracket it has two parameters as it's showing on the window. Just you have to type the name of the two dictionaries. College. So it will say -1. So why is it showing -1? Is because school is having lesser keys than college. How much college has 3 elements and school is having 2 elements. The same way, if I put college in the first parameter and then school in the second one, it will show +1, since college is having more elements than school. If both are having the same elements, it will show 0. So say one more method is in order to calculate the length of a dictionary. Length, it will show like the how many number of keys in the dictionary. See, for len of school, it's showing 2 means 2 keys it has. Same way for college, it should show 3. Show 3, yeah. One more methods. Why I'm explaining methods is methods are important to perform operations. If your program involves dictionary, so it will be easier for you to um, do several operations related to that. So str, one more function, str of school, str of dictionary. What it does is it gives the keys. It shows the keys of the dictionary in a string format, like in between the double quotes. See, the output is in between the double quotes, like all the keys and the corresponding values are there. And yeah, so one more important method is using a get function. What it does is if you use get function and it if the key is not there in the dictionary, it will just give you none. It won't give you any output. If it is if the key is present in the dictionary, it will print the value corresponding the value the key possesses. So how is it done is name of the dictionary dot get function, and in that you have to give the key. Suppose if I am giving classes, it should give me 40, and if I give some other key like kids, it won't give me any output, because it should give me no output because the kids key is not present in the dictionary, right? And one more function is to check if the dictionary has the key or not. So for that, it's just a simple function, has underscore key. It checks if it has the key or not. So if I give kids, it will say false, right? If I give classes, it should give me true, right? And also there are like one more three small methods to print the keys of the dictionary separately, and also the values of the dictionary separately. For that, school dot keys, just keys, it will just print all the keys. And if I give school dot values, it will just print the values. See, if you don't remember all these functions, if you just type the dictionary name and put dot, it automatically wait for some time, it automatically shows all the functions possible to use with the dictionary. So you don't have to remember all the functions. So it's yeah, it's just not clear. And one more method is to represent to print the keys in a tuple form. Yeah, the last method which is left is if you want to represent the elements of the keys of a dictionary in a tuple format. Tuple is something, it's like a sequence in which you can't edit or delete the elements. So for example, if I show you, let's x equal to 21 comma 20 22 comma 23. So it's a tuple in which you can't change the elements. See, tuple does not support item assignment. See, in that in tuple and sequence, they are slightly different. Just in just tuple, you can't change the values of the elements. It's just fixed. So in order to print the keys and the corresponding values in a tuple format, you have to use a method called items. So just dictionary name dot items. So it will print the keys and the corresponding values in a tuple format. So that's it. Try to if you want to know about more functions or methods using dictionary, I told you, right? Just type the dictionary name and press dot. Wait for some time. It shows all the functions which can be used using that. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Please play around with this and you can learn